Welcome to ABB Grade 3 Theory, Lesson 3. This lesson will look at clefs, accidentals, note names, and key signs. Music is written on a staff or stave that has 5 lines and 4 spaces. The clef at the beginning tells us the sounds will be high or low. A treble clef is also known as a G clef because it starts by wrapping itself around the second bottom line, which is the note G. It represents high sounds. A bass clef is also known as an F clef because it starts on the second top line and has 2 dots on either side of this same line, which is the note F. It represents low sounds. There are 3 main signs known as accidentals, which change the pitch of a note. A sharp raises a note to the very next note. A flat lowers a note to the very next note, and a natural cancels a previous sharp or flat. A bar line will also cancel a sharp or a flat in a bar. Using accidentals means that each note has 2 names. This is a grand staff, which is used by piano players. The note on a line in the middle is known as middle C and can be played by either hand. The note on the space second from the outside is also a C. Knowing where these C's sit on a stave can help make reading other notes more easy. Notes that appear low on the page or staff sound low, and notes that appear high on the page or staff sound high. As you move up note by note, the pattern of notes in line, space continues. As you can see, some of the notes between the staff can be written in more than one way. Another way to read music notes is to use rhymes that have the note name as the first letter of each word. There are rhymes for the spaces which have 4 words to match the 4 spaces, or 5 words to match the 5 lines. Always read from the bottom up. Here are some suggestions for the bass clef. And here are some suggestions for the treble clef. These can be found in your cheat sheets. Key signatures are a set of sharps or flats placed together on the staff. They make a melody or scale sound the same if the starting note changes. Key signatures are generally written immediately after the clef at the beginning of a line of musical notation. Listen to this well-known melody in C major, then G major, and finally in F major. Take note and listen at how it hasn't changed in shape, only in pitch. To work out the key of a melody, look for these clues in the music. These clues can be found in your cheat sheets. Go ahead and complete the questions in the Lesson 3 worksheets, then check your answers.